So here is a little trick on how to make your videos wider in YouTube. So this is a standard video that comes in. That's a 4K 1080p, well actually 4K, sorry. And if we go to this one, you'll see it's a lot wider. Reduces the size of this sidebar compared to a standard video, which 99.9% of videos on YouTube are like this, but this is the cinematic look, which is squashed and wider. So easiest way to do that, if we open up Capcut, create a project, we'll then bring a 4K file straight in from YouTube, which is here. So then if we go to the ratio, it's original, so 16 to 9 is what it is. So let's make it custom. And so if we make this 2100 by 900 and save that, then what we've got to do is stretch it to fill. So obviously by stretching it, it's going to crop out the top and the bottom. So all we do is grab the scale, go across until it fills right out to the edges, which it does. That's all you have to do, and then export it. Now this is a trick, you've got to export it. It comes up as 2K default, but we want to make it 4K. And export that, and it's as simple as that, which basically will turn a video from this to this, which is 21 by 9, which if we go full screen and hit play on that, it's more cinematic compared to this one, which obviously will fill the whole screen, but not as cinematic. And that's how you do it. Simple as.